So now I've got the fire going, I'm going to pop the cast iron skillet on top so I can heat it up to cook my burger. So we'll see how long this takes to warm up. It's already getting pretty hot. So I've got a few leftover chips that I did in the oven last night with beef dripping, of course. Now I'm going to wrap them in foil and I will heat them with the stove. There we go. Here we go to the stove. Just find a bit of space for them. Just there, I think. Just there. There you go, you can hear the sizzle straight away, so we're definitely hot enough. The skillet's hot enough for the burger, so we'll get that on. So before the burger goes on, we'll just pop on a bit of beef dripping to help it not stick so much. There we go, you can see it's pretty hot. I can hear a bit of sizzling, so we'll see how that gets on. And of course, no burger would be complete without some bacon. And we can hear that sizzling straight away, so that's good. As expected, it's not as hot as it would be if we got the flame right on the bottom of this. Nevertheless, this is cooking. Flatten this down a bit. If we get it a bit thinner, it's gonna cook through quicker, obviously. That's the hottest part, so I'll pop it on there. Let's put them back under there to keep them warm. They appear to be pretty hot. So of course, any burger needs blue cheese. And this blue cheese is Roquefort. So we'll just pop that on there. Never have enough blue cheese. I'm just going to heat the baps up on there. Let's give that a couple of minutes. I think that'll do, that's slightly toasted. There we go. So no burger's complete without some thinly sliced red onion, gherkin, and a bit of tomato. And I've got these really good mayonnaises that are made with avocado oil as opposed to rapeseed oil. We know the human body shouldn't have seed oils, so I'm going to have some chipotle on the base. I'm going to have some garlic mayo for the chips. And I'm also going to have some barbecue sauce. Now this sauce is really good, but I think it's more like a mildly spicy tomato sauce. There we go. We are ready for the burger and the bacon. Burger with the blue cheese melted. And our 3 rashers of smoky, streaky bacon. So red onion on. A little bit of tomato. Bit of gherkin. And I think that's it. And now the moment of truth. Looks pretty good though, hey? Oh yeah. Awesome. Well, a meal cooked on the stove, which means I've not used any gas on my hob, and it's all been cooked with free wood from the building site. Fantastic. That garlic mayo is good. As I say, that's like a rich tomato sauce. It's good. I'll put the link to the Hunter Gather website for all of you that want to buy yourself some sauces that are minimally processed and don't use rapeseed oil. Anyway, I'm going to smash this burger. Nom 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 nom. Well, that was banging. I couldn't have done it any better on the oven, on the hob. So my first meal cooked on the stove. Very good. I'll be doing that again. So as you saw in this video, this meal was a total success. I've cooked lots of meals on the stove since this. So if you want to see more of this type of content of me cooking on the stove, please let me know in the comments below. Believe it or not, I'm a far better cook than I am boat renovator, as you can probably tell from the videos. If you've enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and yes, leave some comments. Thank you, and see you soon. Bye bye.